First and foremost, dog. Zin?
No, why you say?
So I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you why. But in order for me to tell you why, I have to give you a little track story. You know, you have to follow it. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Get to understand the thing.
Yeah.
Zin? Now, this is social media and the internet.
Yes.
It can be a good thing, but not everything needs to come from social media.
That's true.
Things behind the doors, you keep that to yourself. Certain things, dog, do not put it on social media. One, social media or the internet. Let me use the internet.
Yeah.
That is a brutal place. You see me?
Me know that.
All right. So that can be good and it can be bad. What you post now can come back and haunt you in the next 7 years.
Or 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you left an impression now that shit can come back and haunt you. All right. Now me say that fi say this. When Kiprich and Kizzy are post on social media before the baby, before the whole pregnancy, them a live a lavish lifestyle. You know me, I say them a show everything. Kizzy go shopping and you know the whole lavish just a throw it in our face and I say, boy, this, that, whatever. Now, I'm glad them a do them thing. Or they might say I'm a bad man, but me as a man talk the truth in that.
No man, say what you say, me I listen man.
Now, when Kiprich and Kizzy come and say, oh, woman forget things and you know, the song with them job say woman forget things and just give stuff. You can tell we that now. The poor little man them way can't give them woman things. Come under pressure from the woman cause guess what? We see the lifestyle. Uno come and rub it in our face.